In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find missing files on your Windows desktop, documents, pictures, and OneDrive. We've all been there. Panic mode sets in when you can't locate an important file. Let's turn that panic into relief with some systematic steps to get your files back where they belong. To kick things off, we need to log into your Microsoft account. This is the essential first step because your files might be stored in OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud service, which requires you to be logged in. Make sure you're signed into your account using the credentials that you typically use on your Windows device. Once you're in, spot the apps launcher. It's usually positioned on the top left of your screen. Clicking here will reveal a suite of Microsoft applications available to you, including OneDrive. The apps launcher acts like a gateway to access these integrated services and helps you manage your files more efficiently. Next up is focusing on OneDrive. Click on the OneDrive option from your apps launcher. OneDrive is a fantastic tool for file backup and cross-device syncing. Sometimes, files don't make it to the cloud if the internet was down or there was an issue during the upload. Opening OneDrive will allow us to address many of these syncing hurdles. Now, let's check the recycle bin in OneDrive. It's like the desktop recycle bin, but for your cloud-stored items. Click on it to see if your missing files are resting there. Deleted files in OneDrive aren't entirely gone right away. They linger in the recycle bin until you permanently remove them. This step can sometimes result in a quick rescue mission. If you're lucky, you'll spot your missing files here. If so, select them. You have the option to restore these files, and doing so will place them back in their original location in your OneDrive. This restore feature is particularly handy when files have been deleted accidentally. It's like undoing a deletion mistake with a simple click. If not all files appear, or if you're still searching for particular files, try using the search bar in OneDrive. Enter the specific file name or keywords. This search function scans your stored documents, photos, and files. It can quickly direct you to the location of your file without manual browsing, saving both time and frustration. Lastly, if you find that some files aren't present in OneDrive, it's likely they remain on your local device. Navigate through your local documents, pictures, and desktop folders to see if those elusive files are hiding there. Remember, not everything automatically syncs to the cloud, especially if synced settings were disabled or unsaved files left behind during a computer shutdown. By following these steps, you should be able to track down those missing items and minimize any future file panic attacks.